Hello everyone. Today I have the privilege to be here in our global headquarters in Darmstadt with Roland Busch, the CEO of Siemens. Together we are actually discussing how do we continue to shape the future of our manufacturing operations and beyond. And I really would like to start by asking you, what do you think that makes this partnership so unique?
I think what makes it unique that we have two teams with different domain know-hows coming together, embracing technology in order to, what you say, elevate humanity. We call it, we transform the everyday for everyone, creating technology who does it. And I think this is, we can see it in the lab now, that we are pushing the boundaries of what new technology can do in order to be much more productive, to be fast in development processes, and really drive technology to bring really benefit for our customers and for humanity too. And this unites us, and
Yes,
you can see it when
absolutely.
you talk to the team.
No, I think that there is also something that actually caught my attention this morning, which is the energy and the passion and the sense of togetherness of our teams.
Yeah, and you see it from both sides, no?
Yes.
I mean, we are more the people who automate, is it processes, discrete or any kind of flow processes on the one side. And on the other side, you have the experts on materials. And if these guys are coming together and have a joint idea what to do, what to achieve, they do amazing things. And I saw that you are also working really strategically on what you call smart factoring, right?
Yes. No, we are extremely excited about the smart factoring, and we couldn't have actually advanced without the support and the capabilities of your team. So thank you very much for this.
And when I look to what I've just seen in the lab, I would say, I mean, we are coming a long way, 145 years. Developing ecosystems with you and your partners, so do we. But the best is ahead of us. I do believe if we can carry this kind of ecosystem into the future, in embracing new technologies, which are centered around technology, around data, around AI, I believe we can do so much more in the future.
Something that you mentioned, artificial intelligence. We were thinking on AI even before ChatGPT emerged. And since then, we have really made so much progress into integrating AI into many different processes. But at the same time, we have been bumping into some of the challenges associated to that transformation, right? So we have gone from digital transformation to integrating AI. I'm sure you have also found challenges on the way of integrating these new technologies in your day-to-day operations.
Absolutely. So, I mean, we started also many years ago, 20, 30 years ago. We have 1,500 AI experts. We have thousands of patents on that field. Large language models, they opened up the world for anybody. So you can now interact with this AI technology on your natural language, which was creating this big buzz. But the real value sits where we are working, which would mean when large language models are really changing the real world and interacting. I believe we are just seeing the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah, I agree.
There's much more to come. Currently, you still have a human in the loop, you control it. You're working on an industrial co-pilot where people can ultimately program robots with natural language. This is where I believe our companies can make a difference in using all these models, but make them work in the real world.
Thank you so much for your visit, Roland. I have been very pleased to host you in our premises today, and here it is to our another 145 years of collaboration and partnership.